Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what this is here. This is an automatic card shuffler. Oh my gosh, it's so annoying playing the card games and having to shuffle everything every turn. So especially when you play with kids and you're the one that's doing all the shuffling, that's what gets really annoying. So let's check out what we got here. Let's see, we have the device currently right here. It looks like it opens up and that's where the cards are going to end up. And it looks like your two stacks will go in there and there. Oh. I guess it's got a rechargeable system in there and the batteries must be in it already. Let's see what we got here. Yes, it's got this kind of big battery in there. No battery I've ever seen before, but that's what it's going to be. Oh, and it will recharge somehow. Right there, you can see there's the USB-C slot right there. And that's why you have a USB-C cable. And there we go. So we'll just recharge it there. But it looks like we're ready to go on that one. So it looks like it just comes ready to go. I have a weird couples card game here, which I will not show you because it's super inappropriate. But I'll show you guys how it works. It's kind of cute. So you put the cards in on this side here. Whoa! That was sweet. Let's try this again. Okay, how cool was that? Thumbs up.